Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today the mini chefs will be baking pizza. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and share. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We're going to start with making the dough. Firstly, add 4 tablespoons of fast action dried yeast. Two tablespoons of sugar, and 2½ cups of warm water. Mix it together and then leave it to bloom. Add 5 tablespoons of oil. Add some herbs and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Salt to taste.
Mix it up. Add this to 6 cups of flour. Then knead.
We've been kneading this for 10 minutes now. We're going to rub some oil on it so it doesn't dry out. Now cover with a damp dish towel or with some cling film and leave it to rise for 30 minutes. While the dough is rising, we're going to prepare the sauce. We're going to be cooking 7 tomatoes, bell pepper, carrot, onion, garlic and chili peppers. We're doing more than enough sauce, so we can save some in the freezer. Now that the vegetables are cooked, we're going to take the skin off the tomatoes, but this is optional. Now it's time to blend. We are now going to add some freshly chopped basil. The dough has been rising for over half an hour and this is how it looks. This recipe can make 3 large pizzas.